So abantu abaningi think I'm going to attack people. I'm not. Namla ngifuna ukufundisa abantu. uClive wang-approacha after iBomba Festival wathi Putas ngicela ungifake under your wing. I want to make my brand bigger. Now what I want to explain about brands is lapha koBulawayo, love me or hate me, sitshela sela bigger brands. And we need to learn to be big brands. Coming from Bulawayo doesn't matter if you do not build your brand. Hey, I'm a South African, those are big brands. Americans are big brands. I'm a British, I'm a big brands. Grow your brand. Comic pasta, I made comic pasta in Eastleigh. You remember? Over 10 years ago, Uhaika. But they're driving. Now, learn to grow your brand. Like what Clive Chikupu did. Clive Chikupu is a big brand. That is why we are all here. When ale brand yakhe ncane sisa kungcwaba kungalalutho kungalabo eco show labo ngwebo babe ngekho labo dubs sikungcwabela ke pop up because you are lazy. You do not want to grow your brand, and you become jealous of people like Clive who grow their brands. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and it's the people that I'm upset with and who want to make noise about Clive. Why are people putting on my profile picture of Clive? Clive is a feel. Why? No, he's trending right now. That's what we do. He's trending. He's a big brand. And when a big brand dies, we put his pictures on our profiles. Because he's a big brand. When uzafa kuphela umama akho ngoyafaka iprofile picture yakho kuphela. Yeah. Ngikhuluma nabantu bakoBulawayo today. Lama artists akoBulalile ngubhane, you are lazy. You are lazy. So I'm going to say this in Clive. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nama artists akoBulawayo. Guys, if you do not work for your brand, you are not going anywhere. I want to list for you guys what I do in 1 week. Why is Babon Leskonja big? I want to list for you. Yeah, I run a bar, Red Cafe, Ngile Power. Sorry? Okay. We run a bar. We run a Red Cafe. And the Granny Leisure sent them carried Lava from Monach after. On Monday, Nile Pen Fusion. On Tuesday, Nile Pen, the chai, Power, Red Cafe, but I go and DJ at the Pounder. On Wednesday, Ni DJ Tin Cup. On Thursday, Ni DJ PAC. On Friday, some Saras, you know, about this guy's Metro FM, years of it. Or about to not a Saturday, you work for your brand. Clive Chikupu came to me, Putas, I like what you're doing, put me under your wing. Mahambala, watch every mchato Putas, Lapo MC Akuna, Telum Fage, Nizama jokes. Says a Safa, Safuel Pino. After our accident. You know what I'm saying? He's a guy who knows Uguti. He knew. I see a big brand. I want to work with big brands. Not when an artist yeah. Obvious versus Zonda, but look at where we are. Look at where we are. Look at where Clive was from Bulawayo, from this house to international stages. Stop crying and start working. Start working. When the South Africans come here, or learn from them how to be a big brand. But you have the supermarket, you're taking Castlelite, we're taking into the supermarket, but you want to complain when it comes to arts. Learn how to be a big brand, like what Clive Chikupu taught us to be. a big brand. And to the Bulawayo City Council, I'm not attacking, I'm teaching. It's okay. Because yeah. Ama manifesto and wonke ama to ZANU, MDC, CCC. Nothing about arts in your policies. Yeah, you're not getting any votes from us. Yeah, you call us only if we entertain one. Yeah, and that is bad. That's very bad. If we respected arts today, Clive wouldn't be sleeping here. He would not. Because our government and our councillors and our politicians respect artists. Busy share my jokes in my girlfriends in. But when it comes to paying us a phone, that's very bad. That's very bad. And our MPs are going, whether ZANU or CCC, none of you have ever stood up in Parliament and said, what about artists? None of you. Shame on you as well.
Yes.
Yeah, and I see the song.
Yes.
Gaganani. Gaganani. Niabesamana. Ikhuluma freely ngoba Clive is my young brother. Ula lutufuteli ngangeza khona. There's nothing. Ngazelimbulala kuchinchi next. But I'm happy and sad at the same time. As much as Clive Efile namhlanje simbeka, he's also given us a platform to talk directly with politicians who are running our country, politicians who are running our city. Kwehlulani, Clive is in lady still every hero at 31, so that the other young artists can learn to work hard like Clive. But you're gonna tell us that Clive is too young to be buried at Lady Stanley. Why? Shame on you guys. Shame on you. Sipatalama Raita City Council Sonkela. And we have the one guy who made all of us laugh in the city. The one guy who made us all happy. And you treat us like we are shit. When we ask, may the next artist who dies, city council, mayor, deputy mayor, labo councillor, we don't want to come to you. Come to us and say, this is what we are doing for you.
Yes.
Just to name a road after Kelvin, what do we need to do? What do we need to do? What is difficult? Keep our placards, but Clive. We know Uzima. You know City Father, and Tetisi, Nyafundisa. Fundani mo Clive. Kipana mapagani umbani mpakolo vele umbani. Umuntu lo mpakolo wathi sifa kwakulabantu abangaka. Khona did they shake Bulawayo? No. But we got a young man who shook Bulawayo, who made the whole country laugh, including Umkari.
Yes.
It's going to be difficult later after later just to say, let's name this road Clive Chikupu Road. We know this. You know niggas city. You just live for Teleo. Sepatela rates. What is difficult? But you have the town, Hallelujah, Snira, Nida, East Street, Abis, Abatabas, Nitana, Togobla, gave a ballet town, Konahali. Smith Clive, Abakula Konala, the Patelama rates. Shame on you. Yeah, shining like Paris. When I stand for the truth, I don't care. But we've got heroes here who've died. Who are relevant to us. But those city father, the city council who can do anything. When I shall the first Tuesday, who cancel to talk my chamber. And they go to my chamber. Shit. Oh shit. When I shall I continue to dance when I was meeting. This is what it's about. We've got people from Harare. I'm sure from Harare.
Yes.
Who have come to respect Clive Chikupu. But our own city fathers here write a letter in the newspaper, condolences. But let us see those condolences in action. Udu Clive some respect. No more talking, let's act. Let's act and Tetis. Deputy Mayor and Tetis. Ngiyafundisa.
Yes, sir.
If it is true that Bulawayo is the hub of our arts in Zimbabwe, the Bulawayo City Council must be the first people to show abantu ukuthi for real. Yiti, hub of arts, by showing the whole nation that we can name streets after artists, we can name stadiums after artists, we can name roads after artists. Lina lingaponda lisivalela amanzi abantu bebe upset. Guess who's entertaining those people?
Comedians, artists.
It's us. Sihlonipheni ngoba singiyela urespect abantu baza revolt abelichaya. But ngama jokes sethu that are keeping people at bay. Olendle kuzwile. Afuna ukukhuluma kunengi. Ngiyalibonga lokhu kubuya la. Ngoba ngilesikhonjwa ngimela abantu bakobulawayo. Ngingubulawayo. And then we yimubhuti kaClive. And our artists lawa a problem. EcoShow puts a message on social media in memory of Clive. A big corporate like EcoShow. When not EcoShow ithethe ngaphi imvume? Ubani? Ubani wena? Sihlonipha uClive. Xa lifuna ukulwa ngezinto zaClive uyangapha libuza imuli first. Imuli yona itheni ngokuthi EcoShow ifaka ipicture kaClive ithi in memory of Clive. Wena ungubani? Sofuna ukudinga iCloud ngemfaka Clive. We're not going to blame anyone or anything. Every one of us had a personal relationship with Clive. Asikudingi ukuthi ngubani, la ungakudingi. Wena zisearch ukuthi reshape relationship yakho noClive njani and deal with it. uClive Uma Arts, he had friends. He had friends he grew up with Labem Ziligas. And he has got a family. Clive does not belong to us, some artists. He belongs to Abantu Bagomboweni na Wagochiko. First, think of that before you think of yourself. Why are you Clive? No. Mfana milo. Uzakulimita Andrea. Clive made his disease look so easy.
Yeah.
He sent us messages jokingly, and we did not take his disease seriously. Was sending us messages easy. I suppose those are the pains of being a comedian. You know what I'm saying? Can no one point a finger at anybody and say we let Clive down? We didn't. He gave us what he wanted, and we behaved exactly the same way Clive wanted us to behave.
Yeah.
Sonke sethukile sibone newspaper sabuya sigijima la. Sibone uClive. But yena umnikazi. Ade ngikhuluma lo malume afuna ulifihlela. Umalume sithi Muli eventually forced him to say, can you go tell people that you are really sick? Now, no one can refuse what I'm saying. Clive eventually had to tell the newspapers that I'm really sick. And trust me, when we came here, someone said, oh my God, no one is to blame. He was forced to tell us that he was sick. And those are the pains as a comedian or entertainer. You do not want to upset people up to the last day. Yeah. Clive was acting strong for all of us. A joke on Tuesday, the day before he passed away. He says, Lord, I'm so over now. I was talking like charmer jokes. A citizens like my guy, nothing is a one of us. Acting strong, but inside he knew. Those are the pains we face as entertainers. We'll be hating inside, but we do not want to see our man to be upset. And this is the true story of Clive Chikubu. Made everyone happy until the last. Rest in peace, Mfanawa.